Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we mute our Infinix phone. Friends, we want to mute guys your phone. So how can you mute today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we mute Infinix phone. Open your phone setting guys and guys scroll it. Friends, you will have to click on my phone sound and vibration and guys scroll it. So once you can see this tab settings, okay, where is guys phone mute setting. So once you will have to click on guys this prevent ringing guys, we will have to first of all on, then guys we can mute our Infinix phone. So once you want to mute, so guys you can mute from here. So once you can see press power and volume up together to mute Infinix phone. So like that guys we can mute guys our Infinix phone guys, and we can use this setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to mute. Bye guys, how to mute phone. Bye guys.